Spoken Dictionary, Randy Ortiz, Linguistics 1, October 18, 2020. Number 1. Language. It is a particular human communication by a system of reading symbols, spoken words, and movements. Example: Portuguese, French, Spanish, and English are languages. Number 2. Speech. It is composed by vowel and consonant sounds. Speech is also considered as the expression of thoughts with the spoken words. Example: I will give you a ring tomorrow morning. Promise. Number 3. Dialect. It is a variety of language spoken in a determined area, limited by geographical or political boundaries of a country, regional dialect, or by people belonging to a particular social class, social dialect or sociolect, which is different in some words, grammar, pronunciation from other forms of the same language. Example: British English, biscuit, American English, cookie. Number 4. Idiolect. It is the language system of an individual as expressed by the way a person speaks, voice quality, pitch, speech, rhythm, or writes within the overall system of a particular language. Example: I use expressions like Diosito, chuta, que tontera. Number 5. Colloquialism. It is an informal expression, that is, an expression not used in formal speech or writing. Colloquial language is informal language that is not rude, but would not be used in informal situations. It is less unacceptable than slang. Example: ¿Qué vas, be mijo? ¿Qué más, bro? Number 6. Slang. It is a way of speaking a non-standard language under certain circumstances, produced by the environment and accepted by a small group of people. Example: esa man, ese pelado. Number 7. Jargon. It is the language used by people who work in a particular area or who have a common interest: lawyers, computer programs, criminals. Example: doctors use terms such as aneurysm, thrombosis. Number 8. Phonology. It is the study of the speech sound system of a specific language and its laws that govern them. It is divided into segmental and prosodical features. Its unit is the phone. Phone is the unit of sound, which has specific traits depending on the language. Example: a is a phoneme. Number 9. Phonemic. It studies the relevant, distinctive, and significant elements in a language, which are used to establish differences in meaning. The unit of phonemics is the phoneme. Example: p, t, k are consonant phonemes. Number 10. Phoneme. It is the smallest unit of speech that signals and establishes differences in meaning. Example: a, u, I are vowel phonemes. Homophone. They are those words that have the same pronunciation but different meanings and spellings. Example: break, hour. Number 12. Allophone. It is a real speech variant of a specific phoneme which occurs under certain circumstances. Example: top. Number 13. Diacritic. It is a mark placed over, under, or through a letter or phonological symbol to show that it has a sound value different from that of the same letter or phonological symbol without the mark. Example: ñ. Number 14. Morphology. It studies the internal structure of words and their immediate constituents. Example: uncomfortable. Un plus comfort plus able. Number 15. Syntax. It studies the grammatical arrangements, the interrelationship and function of words, phrases, and sentences in the speech. Example: the dog ate the bone. Number 16. Contrastive linguistics. It studies, analyzes, and compares two or more languages descriptively to find out similarities or differences. Example: lo estoy pasando muy bien. I am having a good time. Number 17. Diachronic linguistic. It studies the changes of the language through time. Examples: house, you. Number 18. Stress. It is another important feature which is often represented in phonetic and phonemic transcription. Example: pretend. 19. Synchronic linguistic. It studies a language based on saying what a language is like. It describes how the language is used. Example: how do you walk? Number 20. Monophthong. A monophthong is a single vowel articulated without change in quality throughout the course of a syllable. Example: pet, tame.